All right, I'm going to show you a hairstyle that's a little fun and different. You probably haven't seen this one before. This is a flexi. It is an XL. It's an extra large. They have a size one bigger, the Mega XXL. But this one works for me for this style. You may find you want to go a little smaller, and you can talk to me about what size would be best for you, especially now they have the flexi flip coming out, which has a wider range of sizes that it works in. So you don't need this amount of length to do this. Probably I would say bra strap length would work depending on your thickness. You're going to want to be able to twist a cinnamon bun around twice. Oh, let's not make that too tight. I'm going to keep on wrapping till all the hair is in, and then you're just going to take this top loop and massage it down a little bit. I'm going to kind of retighten here, make sure this all stays put. Okay, and then I'm just going to slide this in one side, pick up some hair along the scalp, out the other side, close it over the top. And that is a drop loop bun. Alright, and I would love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel for hundreds more hairstyles and more coming every week. So, thank you.